Welcome to part 3 of adjectives in Demba translated to English. Ichongo, noise. Dondolo, quiet. Wuche, wushe, wushe, quietly. Wuche, wuche, quietly, because in Bemba C is pronounced as CH. Uwawola, rotten. Wuta, wama, or uwusaka just means clean. Ba nefiko, sapa, lamba, dirty. Mufumbi, rainy day. Or Mainzar, rainy season. Ubukulu, ukutikama is thickness. Onda, thin. An example of how noisy or ichongo would be used in a sentence. The crowds become very noisy. Amawumba yatendeka okupanga ichongo. So ichongo is noisy. Amawumba, crowds. Yatendeka just means it becomes. And then a noisy gong. A gong is similar to a bell. So inyenjele ya chongo. A noisy gong. Inyenjele ya chongo. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below.